Hey, do you want to learn how to draw a cube? So many things around us are cube shaped. Think of a box shape. That's a cube. And all of these things are cube shaped. So start with a diamond for the top of your cube and then draw 3 legs down, all parallel, all the same length, and connect them. You can make this as short or as tall as you would like by extending those legs. Notice that all of these lines are parallel, and that's the key to this. So let's try drawing this box, which is a cube. Now notice the shape of that diamond. It's a little elongated. It's a foreshortened square, and make equal short lines for the sides and connect those, and there you've got your cube shape. See it? Let's decorate it for fun. I'm going to use some parallel lines to help guide me in my lettering. It's not the greatest job I've ever done on that lettering, but that's okay. And then I can color in some of those shapes. I even use some parallel lines for that chalk, if you notice that. Darken in that side and the bottom of the box. Now let's pretend there's a light source coming from the upper right. On the cube, you're going to shade the side that's away from the light, a little bit on that side as well, and then add shadow on the ground. That's a cast shadow away from the sun. You can do a little smudging with your fingers. That's really fun. Now let's add that to the box as well. Remember, the light's to the upper right. It's a short box, so it's going to have a short shadow line. How to draw a cube. Lead instructions are at welcometobananas.com. There are a lot more drawing tutorials there as well. Come join the fun.